Good morning, students. How are you? I think all are good and healthy. Yesterday we have start our chapter 10 air. Now let's continue this chapter through the virtual classes. Here today topic is nature maintains a balance. Means balance of the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. The balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through the respiration in plants and animals and by photosynthesis by plants. Plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis and utilize oxygen during respiration. They produce much more oxygen during photosynthesis than they consume. This is how the oxygen consumed by plants and to large extent by animals is replenished in the air through the photosynthesis. So we can say that animals and human beings use oxygen present in air and given out carbon dioxide gas. Plant on the other hand consume carbon dioxide during photosynthesis in the daytime and then given out oxygen. In this way, a balance of the carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained in the air. Role of nitrogen. You already know that nitrogen gas makes up the 78% of the atmosphere and it is the huge amount. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient of all life forms. Means nitrogen gas present in air is also essential for the growth of the plant. Atmospheric nitrogen is a major source of the nitrogen in soil. In the atmosphere, it exists in the very inert nitrogen form and must be converted before it become useful in the soil. Means the quantity of the nitrogen added to the soil in this manner is directly related to the thunderstorm activities. Nitrogen helps in the rapid growth of the plants, also help them to develop the fruits and seeds, also increase the size and quality of the leaves. Nitrogen exists in the three journal form. Means nitrogen plants require nitrogen in the large amount and plant cannot absorb nitrogen directly from the air. Nitrogen gas has to be changed into the form of utilized by the plant. The bacteria present in the soil help to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the some specific form like ammonium and nitrate. The ammonium salt are taken in by the plant to get the nitrogen needed by them and the plant root absorb the salt from the soil. Means nitrogen gas is not absorbed by the plant directly. It breaks down into the two form ammonium salt and nitrate. Plant use them in the form of proteins which is essential for the plant growth. Here in short form we can say that in the soil there are some microorganisms are present, some bacteria are present which are converted to nitrogen into the two form ammonium salt and nitrate. In short form we can say that nitrogen from the air and bacteria in the soil act on nitrogen that converted into the specific form. This specific form is ammonium salt and nitrate. Such specific form, ammonium salt or nitrate, get absorbed by the plant for their growth. So it is the complete process of plants absorb the nitrogen from the atmosphere. You have revised this topic again, and if you have any doubt, ask in the live session. Thank you so much and take care.